Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at a phrasal verb. A phrasal what? You know a phrasal verb. A semantic unit, that's a big word, of a verb and usually a preposition. You bring them together and they have totally different meanings or a variety of meanings. Today we're going to take a look at look up. But first, I'm SL Rockfish. You're at the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. I hope you're here for a return visit, and if today is your first time, thanks for joining us. We're going to do an English lesson on phrasal verbs. I have many other lessons down below. Hit like or subscribe, either one, and thanks for joining me. Come on! Our phrasal verb today is look up. You know, look up. Not like just like that. Look up literally means to lift your head and gaze up. Look up. But it also has many other meanings. Huh? How can it have more than one meanings? Because it's English. So we have look up, literally lift your head and gaze up. Look up. There we go. Look up to look up to means to admire. For example, he really looks up to his grandfather. He's an awesome man. Got it? To look up to admire. Then we have looking up. Looking up, when someone is looking up, that means they're showing signs of improvement. What? Yeah, someone or something is looking up, that means they are improving. For example, I just saw my friend at the hospital and she's really looking up. I mean, she's really looking better. She's really improving. Got it? And then we have look up, another definition. We're going to look up, like research for information, to seek out some information. I'm going to look up that information and get right back to you. Or, wait, there's more. If you look someone up, I'm going to look that person up. I'm going to look up Joe. What? Yeah, I'm going to look up Joe. That means I'm going to reach out to him and try to talk to him. So, for example, when I go to New York, I want to look up an old friend. I want to find them. I want to reach out to them. Or when I go to the store, I'm going to look up that teller that I really like. I'm going to look for them. I'm going to seek them out. I'm going to get together with them. Got it? That's a lot of look up. So let's look up at the board and review the various meanings. Look up, to literally lift your head and gaze up. Look up, to admire. Look up to, I look up to my parents. Looking up, hey, you're looking up. You're getting better. And look up, I'm going to look up the information to research. And hey, I'll look you up when I get to town. Means I'm going to seek you out and get together with you. Got it? Why are there so many meanings for the two words look up? I don't know. Apparently, we like to do a lot of looking. But now you can read and understand, I hope, this sentence. I looked up my friend's phone number. I needed to look her up. I hadn't seen her since she was sick. I heard she was looking up. What? Come on, English. That's a lot of looking up. I hope you look at all the different meanings and it makes some sense. Let me know what you think. Leave comments or questions below and anything you would like me to cover. I will gladly do that. Okay, my friends? Peace.